This tutorial provides a step-by-step guide to fixing the black screen issue on Roblox Mobile. If you're experiencing this problem while trying to play Roblox, don't worry. This guide will help you troubleshoot and resolve the issue effectively. This can be done on both iPhones and Androids. So, let's get started. So first, locate the Roblox app. After you locate the Roblox app, hold tap the Roblox app so that the menu appears. As you can see, the menu appears. Just start on the info icon that looks like a little inside the circle beside the trash icon. While we're in the app info of the Roblox app, tap on the force stop button first so that the app will stop running while it is closed. After making the Roblox force stop, tap on the storage and cache tab to open it so that we can proceed. While we're in the storage and cache tab, tap on the clear cache to clear the cache of the Roblox. After that, tap on the clear storage to clear all the storage, including the updated version of Roblox. After that, let's go back to the main screen and locate the Google Play Store app or in the App Store. After you locate the Google Play Store or App Store app, tap on it to open the app. While we're in the Google Play Store or App Store app, tap on the Search tab and search for the Roblox app. After you search for the Roblox app, make sure that you update the Roblox app by tapping on the Update button to update the app. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve the black screen issue on Roblox Mobile. Start with simple solutions like restarting your device and checking for updates. Then move on to more involved actions like clearing the cache or reinstalling the app. If the problem persists, don't hesitate to contact support for further help. Happy gaming!